Well, hi everybody. Good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. It is a scraper alert type day this morning. If you leave your vehicles outside, you'll want that scraper handy. It is cold this morning and frosty to start things off. We're beginning the day mostly in the upper teens, lower to mid 20s. But we are on our way to a nicer day. We've got clear skies out there, a little patchy light fog to start things off, but we should see lots of sun today as temperatures push into the upper 40s and lower, possibly mid 50s out there. Now notice a cold front making its way into northern Nebraska late this afternoon. That will come through the area overnight tonight. An increase in clouds tonight, partly cloudy skies, but no precipitation expected. And with that front coming through, a cold night ahead of us and a colder day tomorrow. We're back into the 30s in many locations, some low, possibly mid 40s off towards the south and southwest, and that's despite partly to mostly sunny skies on your Thursday, and it now looks like we are going to stay on the chillier side continuing into your Friday before we warm it up for the upcoming weekend. How do today's temperatures look though? Enjoy them. It is short-lived today. We'll see upper 40s and lower 50s up north, mainly sunny, some late day clouds entering the picture as that front approaches. A little breezy out there by later on today. The winds are light this morning, but those winds do pick up out of the southwest for most areas today. Lower and maybe even mid 50s out towards the west. Otherwise, most of the rest of us are going to top out in the lower 50s this afternoon. It's close to, still slightly below average for this time of the year, but still an improvement, a big improvement over yesterday. But again, we drop back tomorrow. We're going to keep it on the colder side for Friday, a breezier day Friday as well. But I think the clouds around just really hold temperatures back, upper 30s, some of you into the lower 40s out there. The warmest temperatures will be out towards the southwest. Now, Friday night, we actually may see our low earlier in the night and see climbing temperatures, at least a little bit of a climb in temperatures towards early Saturday morning as warmer air moves in. So despite some clouds still around on Saturday and even a slight chance of rain, we should be warmer. I'm going with mid 50s. If the clouds are really thick and we do see a little better chance of rain, that could hold temperatures back a bit. So I'm going kind of on the optimistic side right now, but again, just keep in mind we could be maybe closer to 50 degrees. The slight chance of rain continues Saturday night as a weak cold front comes through. Will be a few degrees cooler on Sunday behind that front, around 50 degrees, but back to mostly sunny skies. And the Monday and Tuesday right now looking awfully nice. We're going to be pushing at least upper 50s, although some models are actually hinting at us getting into the 60s. So sign of some nicer weather to come. That's not just going to last a day or 2 days, maybe a little more of a longer stretch of some nicer weather ahead of us here. Now, if you do have plans for a road trip to Minneapolis, Minnesota for this all-important game, really about the only thing important about this game is the trophy at this point here. The Husker season kind of a spiral downhill here, but it'll be cold up there in Minneapolis if you are going to be traveling up there. Now, there's not going to be a lot of precipitation. There's a chance of some light snow eventually changing over to light rain before the game. It should mostly be light rain during the game as it gets warm enough here into the mid and upper 30s by the afternoon hours here. But again, plan on cold weather if you are traveling up there, or just better yet, stay home because it'll be nicer here in Nebraska anyway, although we have a chance of light rain as well. And of course, you can sit in the comfort of your own home and stay warm that way as well. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all have a very enjoyable Wednesday, and God bless.